Ram 1500 Rev loses the prototype's gimmicks and looks like an electric Ram. The new Ram 1500 Rev debuted during a Super Bowl, the latest Super Bowl ad, but won't appear on the road until late 2024.
Yeah, I can't believe I missed this yesterday, but this is the new Ram that's supposed to compete with the Ford Lightning.
Okay, but they're still making that crazy one, though. Well, don't play with me like that.
Maybe. I mean, that one was a concept, right?
Don't play with me.
We all know concepts. They.
Hey, Will. Hey, Will.
Huh?
Don't play with me.
Yeah. Okay, it's coming.
Stellantis revealed its new Ram 1500 Rev electric truck with an ad at the Super Bowl. That'll cost you a few bucks. You say it's coming late 2024. And it's not looking quite like the lean-roofed, futuristic brute concept that the automaker shared last month. Don't tell me this is what it is now. Don't tell me these things.
I mean, it looks sick still.
No, it does. I mean, it would have looked cool on its own unless you paraded around a concept. I mean, it's the same.
Okay, now you're mad.
Well, it's a Cybertruck effect, right? It's a Cybertruck effect. You don't parade these things around. If anything, I thought things were getting better, where concept cars were getting a lot closer to eventual production vehicles, and that was exciting. I liked that about the industry. And then they went way back with that one.
I mean, it has to look like the everyman vehicle, right? At least the starting point. This is their first EV truck. They got to be careful with it.
Oh, my God.
And it looks good. No?
Pre-production Ram 1500 Rev now looks very similar to the current gas-powered Ram pickup trucks on the road today. Even the interior, including the infotainment screen, would look wholly familiar to recent Ram owners. Stellantis design direction for Rev echoes what Ford did with the F-150 Lightning. Ram 1500 Rev will be available starting Q4 2024, according to the website. Stellantis originally said it would put the truck into production 2022. A late 2024 release puts it behind its competitors. That's true. They did have to do something. I agree with that. But look at the images originally, right? Is this just a fancy angle on it? Yeah. What? Okay. All right. That's kind of cool. Keep going.
Shiny.
Okay. I like these photos better. I like these photos better.
But look at the interior. What is this?
It's the same as what it currently is. They didn't change it.
This is what it looks like. I haven't.
This is
seen it.
Yeah, this is. If you go.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is what it looks like. Well, actually, okay. So it is. There's a display now on the passenger side, and there's a few different buttons below the display, but they have this portrait-mounted display in the center with some knobs and buttons around it. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
I'm in shock. I didn't know how complicated it looks.
Well, they also have a screen on there right now that is enhancing the complication.
But look at it. There's like so many buttons and knobs.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's lots of buttons and knobs still.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. But, you know, truck people kind of like, I mean, even the Hummer EV has buttons and knobs. The Ford still has buttons and knobs. It's not, I think you just got used to your Tesla. That's it.
Well, I mean, my Bronco doesn't look half as complicated as this one.
But you have buttons and knobs.
Yeah. And I do appreciate them, but they're all over the place. Like, I don't know, like weird shapes.
Well, this interior is actually, there's like 5 ways to do anything. So, for example, you can reach up and hit a physical button to change the temperature, or you can go on the touch screen and go to the climate section. There's different ways to turn the volume up or down. There's different ways. You can quickly hit one button to put the rear defroster on, or you can go to climate. You can turn off traction control with one button, or you can go into the interface. So it is noisy. Like
it does, yeah.
Design-wise, it is noisy, but it's also you're in a weird spot where you have the breadth of customers, the customer base you have for this vehicle, new customers, old customers, they want electrification, they want technology, and then you have old customers that will hate something you give them that doesn't have a physical button for it. And so you're in this middle ground where you're trying to satisfy your old customers and attract your new ones, where companies that are new, like Rivian or Tesla, they don't have to worry about that. Like, we're a new company. There was nothing before us, and we
start from scratch.
This is the better way, that everything is on the screen. The other thing to mention, as far as trucks are concerned, you got people coming in with filthy hands, with work, with gloves, there's a lot going on there. This is the frunk. which is large as well, just like the
Seems like there's outlets here.
very comparable to the Lightning, I would say, in the front. Yeah,
Another angle.
but there was cool stuff in the concept, like the midgate and the bucket seats behind in front of the midgate. No, Will, nothing, none of that.
No, I think it's very impressive. I think you'll like this.
No, I'll probably
Like
like
when
it.
it's actually
I'm sure
here?
I'll like it. I mean, it's nice, absolutely. I'm sure I'll like it, but I still hope they make something like the concept as their top end, like weird. Do a weird one too.
A weird one.
I know they won't, but
Just do it.